Okay, so the first question we have is from Paul. Sorry, Paul is asking, our deliveries from our suppliers are accompanied with delivery dockets and or invoices. We process, file and archive these documents for the required number of years stated by the ATO. Does Exo have a facility for them to be scanned at the point of receipt and linked to the receipt? To be honest, Paul, the best solution for this is a solution called Exo, which is EVEXSO. This actually has a driver docket sign-on delivery application that is seamlessly integrated with Exo that allow you to do all of these tasks digitally. You can get sign on glass, take photos of the delivery, etc., and it's totally integrated with Exo. Really comprehensive solution that works on mobile devices, so you can really go paperless with this process and have everything stored on the computer without having to scan or scan anything. Hopefully that answers that for you.
Chris, if I may add, I'm sharing my screen now. So what other companies are doing as well is, if you look into the purchase order screen, this is not on the receipt button, but you now have a documents button in there. So if you scan it, then you should be able to, say for example, something that you want to add in there, you can put it into the documents tab. You can associate it to that purchase order. And what other companies are doing as well is we can put in a custom button there, button number 1, that when you click on it, it actually creates a folder. Say for example, the name of the folder is PO10073, or making it like always unique. And you can then have the ability to just save all your delivery dockets or drawings or any communication for that purchase order. So that one is more of a manual thing, while what Chris had told you is more of an automated process. So.
Yeah, thanks, Terry Lou. So we really cover both scenarios, whether you want to just digitize and save your current process, or you want to completely move to a paperless solution. That Exo solution for the sign-on delivery users, I believe is $39 per user per month. It does have a full warehouse management barcoding system as well. Okay, on to the next question. Can you advise how many days it takes once we've requested to go on cloud? So in terms of the migration from a server to a cloud environment, we typically book a day. We will establish the environment, set you up with logins, let you test the environment, set up Exo, and typically on the second day we would then take a snapshot, migrate you over to the new system, and set you go live. But we do have a range of different options in terms of the implementation path you want to follow. But typically it's a 2-day process, if not quicker. So hopefully that answers that for you. Another question in regards to what's more efficient between the two options to log in for the remote app versus the HTML5 login. To be honest, there's not really much difference in terms of efficiency. The only thing that really springs to mind is with the remote app, it actually allows you to copy and paste between what you're doing on the screen and your local computer. For those of you who've used remote desktop a lot, one of the frustrating things can be, especially with the older versions, is you can't take files off one computer to the other. But with this solution, when you're using a remote app, you can copy and paste between the clipboards of the cloud program and your local computer, which is seems like a small thing, but it's a really great feature in terms of productivity. And the next question from Jackie: we currently email remittance advices via mail shot and print email remittances. How does adding the remittance method and the creditor account help that process? Look, in terms of your email remittances, absolutely can, I believe this is relating to what you asked before. So we can absolutely populate the email addresses for your mail shot as well. So if that's not working, maybe we just take this one offline and we can organize a chat with a consultant, because there's just that standard functionality in Exo, and it looks like that may have been switched off somehow. So yeah, if you can reach out to us, we'll get that resolved for you, Jackie. How do you amend a custom filter? Terry Lou, can you quickly show us how to do that? We just want to demonstrate how to amend a custom filter and deleting a custom filter.
So if I enable my screen again. Okay, so if you've created a custom filter, okay, so when you right click custom filter, you can actually go into what you want to edit. Okay, you can right click custom filter, set filter, and then from here be able to edit it. Under options, you choose whatever custom filter you want to edit, go options and edit, and then you can edit the stages. Now, I know that in the previous version, we had an issue depending on the version that you're using. When you're editing it, it's actually not deleting it from the cache, it's giving you a lot of error message. So if that is the case, I would recommend that on that custom filter, okay, you can go set filter, highlight that filter, go and delete it first, and then create a new one. But on the most recent versions, I never have encountered any problem in editing a custom filter. So it depends on what version you're using. If you feel like editing is not being successful, kindly delete the custom filter and recreate a new one.
Great, thank you, Terry Lou.
Yeah.
We just had a question asking about the name of the delivery sign-on glass service. So again, that's called Exo, which is EVEXSO. But please just drop us a message and we'll communicate that. If you do have any more questions, we've gone through everything that's come through the system here, but feel free to go and click on the Q&A button and submit a question. And we'll give you 30 seconds. Otherwise, we'll hand back to Ronnie for the wrap up.